Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up and trying on everything in my October BOXYCHARM box. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. Per usual, I'm going to try on all of the products that I received and I will link all of them down below in the bottom bar, including my top, which I'm obsessed with. This necklace is actually going to be a pre-sale item on my jewelry site with lovesarah.com next month for the holidays, and it's only going to be available once. So it's this little initial, it just has the S. I will link my site down below and put the dates that it's going to be available, my nail color, all the things will be linked below. But let's get into everything that I got for October in my BOXYCHARM box. Opening up the box, this is what it looks like, and it says BOXYCHARM Candy Shop. So that's the insert. The first product in the box I actually just used off camera so that I could tell you guys about it, but it's a facial wash. It's impossible to wash your face on camera. So this is from Murad. It is the AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. It's a pretty big size. On the pamphlet it says, this multitasking cleansing exfoliant is an ideal addition to your cleansing regimen 2 to 3 times a week. Chemical and physical exfoliation helps clear dull, dry skin and improves penetration of treatment ingredients that follow. It also helps optimize skin's ability to attract and hold moisture. It retails for $40. And I didn't even look at the label or anything when I was looking at it, and so I tried it out and I was like, oh, this is exfoliating. Yes, it's in the name. It's not super harsh at all. There are a couple of exfoliating cleansers that I just won't even use, so this definitely is not that harsh, but you can definitely feel it. My skin feels nice and soft now. I can see myself using this maybe once a week, but you know that I'm ride or die for my Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. It's what I use every single day, so I don't think that this would be something I'd use all the time. Obviously you shouldn't anyway, because it obviously is an exfoliator, so I can see myself using this once in a while. I do have an exfoliant that I really love personally, so that is the first product. Next is from Grown Alchemy. This is the Matte Balancing Moisturizer, and I've never heard of this brand. And it says, a lightweight moisturizer that hydrates facial skin while balancing the skin's oil levels, leaving skin with a matte finish and increased clarity. And it retails for $69, which is pretty expensive for a moisturizer. Oh, it's in one of those like metal packages that gets all denty. And it has the like pointy top. I am going to put my hair back. And it's just a white formula. If you see this, I got a patch test for an IPL treatment earlier this week, so it is still healing. I can put makeup over it. It doesn't fully cover it, so that is what that situation is. Okay, this blends in decently smoothly. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't have much of a smell. It kind of smells like the CeraVe body lotion. And it actually kind of feels more like a body lotion to me than it does to a facial lotion, but it's not super tacky already, which is crazy. So I am going to do my makeup until the next step and I will be right back. I just finished up my face makeup. The next product is from Beauty Bakery. This is the Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. The packaging is really cute. It has the same thing on the little sleeve. This is what it looks like. On the pamphlet, it says Beauty Bakery's Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette is a delightful morning medley of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for a classic office to happy hour transition touch-up. Retails for $38. And when you open it up, it doesn't have a mirror, but these are the shades. I'm a little undecided about this. I'm glad they have this transition shade. I wish they had another one. We'll see. I'm just going to point to the shadows. Per usual, speed this up. You guys can see the look that comes out of it. And I am just going to be using a mirror from a different palette so that I can hold it close to my eyes. this is the look. I'm pretty happy with it, but I just went ahead and swatched all of these colors. I'll do a close-up in a second, but I wanted to talk about these two shades. The pigment in general is just not as much as I was expecting it to be. So this is the darker shade, obviously, and then this one is the lighter one. This shade is, I feel like I was building it up a ton. This is me like swatching, swatch again, swatch, don't mind my Apple Watch tan line. So the pigmentation is just not really there. There wasn't a lot of fallout, but I feel like I really had to work up to get this, which when you're looking at a palette like this one, I thought for sure that you would dip in and then it would be pretty intense right off the bat. That's not the case with these. All right, I just did my eyeliner and mascara. The last item in the box is from Seu de Janeiro. This is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupico. That's definitely wrong. Lip butter, and I don't know if this is in it. Oh, it's in the shade Soulmate. I've never tried this formula. The packaging is really pretty. This nice bronze. Oh, it's like kind of like a lip. It looks more like a lipstick. A lot of balms are straight across, not angled. On here it says, a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of cupicu, I don't know, butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip-loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable with the scrumptious aroma of dulce de leche. This retails for $20. The shade looks brown, but I have a few tinted lip products that I love, and usually the shade is not as intense. Yeah, it's definitely not like this brown. Okay, it definitely smells good. I actually like the color. I thought I wasn't gonna like this, but I do think this is a really nice fall shade for me. What did it retail for? $20. I would potentially buy this. I wonder if this has SPF in it. Okay, I don't think that this has SPF, which the one that I really like from Fresh does have SPF, so I guess the Fresh one has that over it. The other one that I like is the Billy one, which doesn't have SPF, but it's less expensive than this one is. So that's just kind of like the info. I would probably still use the Fresh one over this, especially if I was gonna be in the sun, just because I really like to have an SPF on my lips. But this smells really good. I'm gonna continue to use this. This might actually go in my bag because I think this is a really great shade for fall. The last item in the box is one that I'm not going to be able to use, but I actually got it in my box a couple of months ago. It's from Spongel. This is the Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. And I got one that I want to say was lavender something last time. This is what it looks like. I don't really like the scent of this one, but basically it's a sponge and it has body wash in it. So you just wet it down and then use it as if it's a loofah and it's exfoliating. My personal opinion was that it was a little rough on my skin. It wasn't that comfortable, and I would rather just use a loofah, put my own soap into it. And yeah, so I am not going to use this, but I already had an opinion and can kind of give you guys a little review on it. So that is the last product. Adding everything up that was included in the box, it retails for $187, which is crazy. I'm just gonna run through the products really quickly again and give you guys my final first impressions. The cleanser I will probably use once a week-ish. I don't think that it would replace my cleanser or my exfoliator, so I don't know that I would actually have a need for this product, but I enjoyed it, so since I already have it, I just don't think that I would actually purchase it again. The Grown Alchemy Moisturizer, it was nice. My makeup looks fine on top of it. I personally like a gel moisturizer better just because of my skin type, but if your skin is not acne prone and you like kind of more of a lotiony moisturizer, you might really enjoy this. Although I think for the price, you could probably find something comparable for way less money. The Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed palette. This, I actually like how the look turned out. I just think that the shadows aren't as pigmented as plenty of other shadows that you can get for the same, if not less money. So, and the colors in general, I know that I wouldn't get a ton of use out of this palette. I'd probably reach for it once in a while. So I personally wouldn't buy this palette. I don't know that I will hold on to it just because I have so many other palettes that I really like. I do really like this tinted lip balm. I think that it's really pretty and it's actually really, really comfortable. And then lastly is the sponge, which not a fan of. That is everything that I received in this month's BOXYCHARM box. Let me know down below in the comments if you get BOXYCHARM. If you don't, did you love it? Did you hate it? Did you get the same things I got? Did you get totally different things? I would love to know all the things down below in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.